students, welcome back to our solution series of LRDI Slot 2 Year 2024. उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपने इससे पहले के सारे सॉल्यूशंस हमारे YouTube चैनल पे चेक कर लिए होंगे. अगर नहीं किए हैं तो प्लीज गो एंड चेक देम आउट. लेट्स सी व्हाट टुडेज क्वेश्चन सेज. The two plots below give the following information about the six firms for year 2019 and 2023. PAT, the firm's profit after taxes in crores. ES, the firm's employee strength, that is the number of employees in the firm. PRD, the percentage of the firm's PAT that they spend on research and development. In the plots, the horizontal and the vertical coordinates of point representing each firm gives their ES and PAT values respectively. The PRD values of each firm are proportional to the areas around the points representing each firm. The areas are comparable between the two plots, that is, equal areas in the two plots represent the same PRD values for the 2 years. Okay. So, this here over the x-axis is the ES and over the y-axis we have the PAT for 6 firms A, B, C, D, E and F for years 2019 and 2023. Okay, so from this given information, we can conclude this given information in a particular table. Okay, so let's see. Let's make two tables, one for year 2019 and one for year 2023. So, for year 2019, we will have the PAT ES value, and for the area, we'll assume that this particular is 1 unit. So for example, here we can see that D circle is of diameter 2 as it includes 2 units. I hope that's clear to you. The diameter which will give me the PRD value. Okay. Now, let's see. For A, PAT value in 2019 is 3000. For B, it's 2800. For C, it's 2400. For D, it's 3900. For E, it's 2400. And for F, it's 2500. The ES value for A in year 2019 is 800. For B, it's 1000. For C, it's 600. For D, 600 again. For E, 1200. And for F, 800. Okay. Similarly, we can make the table for year 2023. Now, the PAT value for A is 3900. For B, it's 3800. For C, it's 3000. For D, it's 2400. For E, it's 3500. And for F, it's 3200. Now the ES values for all the 6 firms for year 2023. So for A, it's 1300. For B, it's 3800. For C, it's 3000. For D, it's 2400. Okay. We have written the PAT values in the ES values. For B, it's 1000. For C, it's 800. For D, it's 800. For E, it's 1400. And for F, it's 1000. Okay. Now, let's move to our first question. First question says, assume that the annual growth rate in PAT over the previous years remained constant over the years for each of the 6 firms. Which among the firms A, B, C, and E had the highest ARG? So, we can say that for A, PAT in year 2019 was 3000 and year 2023 it was 3900. So for A, it will be 3900 by 3000. That will give me 1.3. For B, it was 2800 in year 2019 and 3800 in year 2023. So 3800 by 2800, that will give me 1.3 something again. For C, 3000 by 2400, that will give me 1.2. And for E, it will be 3500 by 2400. That will give me around 1.4 something. So we can say that the highest ARG was for firm E. So option 4 is our answer. Let's move to the next question. The ratio of the amount of money spent by firm C on R&D in 2019 to that in 2023 is closest to. Okay, so for R&D, we have to find out the area of the circle. Now, for C in 2019, we can assume there were approx 3 units, 1, 2, and it's a little bit above 2, so we can assume it approximately 3. And for 2023, it is 1 and 2 units. So we will take the diameter as 2. So for finding the area, we'll have pi r square for, so the diameter for 2019 was 3. So it will be 1.5 pi into the PAT for year 2019 for C, that is 2400. Okay, this is for 2019. And similarly for 2023, the diameter was 2, so it will be 1 into pi into the PAT for year 2023 for firm C, that is 3000. So we ultimately want the ratio pi will get cancelled with each other. Okay. that will be ultimately 9:5. So option 2 will be my answer. Let's move to another question. Which among the firms A, C, E and F had the maximum PAT per employee in 2023? So for A, I can say the PAT per employee will be 3900. That is 3. For firm C, the PAT was 3000 and the ES was 800. So 3 point something. For firm E, 3500 by 1400. That will be 2 point something. And for firm F, it will be 3200 by 1000. That is 3.2. So we can clearly see that A and E can't be the answers. So it will be either C or F. So for C, we can say that it's 3.7. Yes. So firm C had the maximum PAT per employee in year 2023. Option 1 is my answer. Let's move on to the next question. Which among the firms C, D, E and F had the least amount of R&D spending per employee in 2023? So I want to find out for C, D, E and F. Okay. So we will need the diameter of each of these. So in year 2023, C had 2 units. So the diameter for C becomes 2. For D also it's 2. For E it is 3. And for F it's 2. Now for C it's pi r square into the PAT we want per employee. So it will be around 3.7 pi. For D, pi into 1 whole square into the PAT value by the number of employees, that will be 3 pi. For E, it will be 1.5 the whole square that will be around 4F it will be 3200 and 1000 and the diameter is 2. So 3.2 pi. So we can clearly see that D has the least amount of R&D spending per employee in year 2023. So option 1 is the answer. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this question. I hope you liked my explanation. Do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.